Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah, Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2021 Toyota Sienna. Here you can see with either one of the key fobs I can operate the power sliding door. If the conversion comes out, the VMI conversion, you see to operate the power sliding door over there as well. 29-inch wide ramp, 57 inches coming inside the van. Then you got 58.5 inches inside the van. It's got the fan is like brand new. See if we got the power rear trunk hatch. You can see that operating here. I can do with either one of these keys inside the van. Leather interior. It's got the sure deploy so you never get stuck. All right. You see even got the kneeling. I can hear the van kneeling down right now. So it's got the kneel working. Got the upgraded Q straight and tie downs. It's got the super cool passenger swivel seat. So you get in here, you put your power chair or scooter over here. You can transfer so you can have your passenger sit up next to you if you're the driver. But you can get this, put it back here a little bit more, just like so. Got the nice leather seating, and I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odor. So have our chair back here, scooter or whatever, get it all the way back, and then we can rotate to the right. And I've got size 10.5 shoes, so I can clear here pretty easy. So you do have to be a little bit cautious, but you know it's an easy. You can scoot all the way forward here, and you are ready to go for your next adventure. So I'm going to hop out here. Allows you the versatility to sit next to your loved one via that route with the swivel seat if you need to. I've got the dashes in great shape. No cracks or holes in the dash. Got your big touch screen with a backup camera, dual climate control, rear air. You can also operate the conversion right here as well. It's got the steering wheel controls so you can keep your eyes on the road. We even have the moonroof. I'll show that working for you here in just a minute. A nice loaded up van. And when you exit the vehicle, you can operate all the sliding doors. Close here, trunk hatch here. Like about these rear entries as well is they have a lot of room back here for storage in case you want to do any traveling. Before I shut that door, let me show you in the back. One thing people like about these side entries is if you're ever going on a trip or something, you've got the room back here. These seats will fold down and forward easy as well. So there you go. In a matter of seconds, you can fold the seats forward, make room for more luggage storage back here if you need it. And you've got the power doors up here. And then when you get everybody secure, shut her down, and you are ready for your next adventure. It's got tinted windows. Got these real nice alloy wheels. We put brand new tires on this thing. So why would you put brand new tires on a van with 17,000 miles on it? Someone stole our tires. This happens all the time in transport on these vehicles. These tires are very expensive. So my loss is your gain. Welcome to running your own business. It's not as easy as people make it out to be, but this van is beautiful. It's darn near brand new condition. It's got this beautiful blue on it. Not many people out there are going to have a van, you know, if it matches your color. They'll definitely know when they see you coming. I love the look of this van. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $5,000 to $10,000 on your next wheelchair accessible vehicle. How we do it is simple. First of all, we offer free shipping. We can do that. We're right in the middle of the country, Wichita, Kansas. We can do free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states. The second thing is we have one location. I want you to imagine our competitors with 5, 10, 20 or more locations. Imagine how much overhead they have every month compared to us. That's how we save you so much money. We keep our overhead low and our production high, and we offer you free shipping. Now, no matter who you do business with, make sure you get a video of the VIN number on the side of the van. And what I mean by that, a lot of people on Facebook Marketplace, scammers, will take pictures of my van. They'll steal them off my website. Facebook won't do anything about it. They cut out my sign up there. They make this look like this is their own van. And they'll sell it for $25,000 with a $2,000 deposit. They're trying to scam you out of that $2,000 deposit. You say to anybody you're buying from, give me a video of that window, that VIN sticker. They couldn't do it. My name is Jeremiah Coleman. I own Affordable Mobility Solutions. I have this vehicle here in my possession. Get you that video I just did just like that. Protect yourself. Don't get scammed. What we do with that VIN number on a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we buy it. Carfax shows 2 owners, no accidents or damage. Now, I've heard that when VMI buys these vehicles to convert them, they have to be the first owner. So technically, this van does have 1 owner on it, but neither here nor there. Last owned in nice, salt, rust-free California. That's where we bought it from. As you scroll down, Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title, and they show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents. Carfax shows no structural damage, airbags have never deployed, odometer's accurate, no open recalls, and we can see the original warranty started in June 15th, 2021, so it meets the specs to be under the full Toyota powertrain warranty until June 15th, 2026 or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And no matter who you do business with, find them online. Check out their reputation and reviews. Look at us on eBay, 1,598 transactions. Every single one of those transactions, all 1,598, left us positive feedback. I would say that's a very good reputation. Check, and no matter who you buy from, find them on Google. Make sure they are a real company. Make sure you're not getting scammed. Make sure they have a handful of reviews. A lot of these scammers can start a fake Google page, get 3 or 4 reviews. Make sure they have a lot of reviews. I got a 4.8 out of 5 stars, 328 reviews. I hear horror stories all the time about people buying from the general public, where they buy from the low-end dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star ratings instead of the 4.8 like we have. Now, they end up buying a van that's got a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, there's thousands and thousands of dollars worth of damage. So hey, if you want the 1 and 2 and 3 star experience, you go ahead and buy from the general public and those low-end dealers. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service and the best prices in the country, I look forward to working with you. All right, back to the van. We do have the 2 key fobs. Got the keyless entry as well. Can operate all the power doors like I showed you. As I enter the van, like I mentioned, I'm a non-smoker. No smoke in this van. I can smell it. Got your power seats in here. Very nice, very clean van. It's got the push button start. That's another feature I really like about this van. So the key is in your pocket or your purse. You don't have to dig it out. You just put your foot on the brake, fire it up, and you are ready to go. It's got all the dummy lights work and they all go out, so no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS, none of that. It's even got the heated seats. Not going to need those today, but they'll be nice to have come winter time. Got your huge backup touchscreen there as well. I did mention the moonroof to you earlier. Let me show you the audio here real quick. The radio works. Even got the Sirius XM on it. We don't want to hear static. We want to hear a little bit of music. Give me 1 sec. Let me find the station here. There we go. Here the radio works. All right, we got our radio. Got our navigation on there. There we go. It's just kind of doing that through the screen. It's not doing that to me. But when this picks up, how the camera picks up another camera on TV, that's what we're getting here. So this is 100% fine in person. And our moonroof, let me find the slide here. There it is. Moonroof works great. And I always look for any signs of any leaks or any floods or any leaks around the moonroof. This is a Toyota. They don't leak. But I just wanted to show that to you. And I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. We've tested all the power mirrors, windows, and locks. I'm going to show you those moving right here. We test the heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering, brakes. Taking these vans on a road test, check the tires. Obviously, they're brand new. My point is, we don't just run these through the car wash and put them on the lot like so many of these dealers do and other people. They go through a very thorough inspection before they hit my lot. And I hope you can tell in our videos, if nothing else, we are very thorough in everything we do. Underneath the hood, got the hybrid, little 2.4 hybrid, I believe in here. 36 miles a gallon in this thing. Runs and looks perfect underneath here. No signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. Underneath the van, much of the same. No signs of any bent metal from an accident. No signs of any water or flood damage. No signs of any leaks. No signs of any bent metal or anything. Super clean van. And that's the number one mistake people make when they buy used vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because it's low miles. They assume because it looks great in pictures. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's never been in a bad accident or a wreck. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. I tell you what, I bought a brand new vehicle at auction the other day. Had flood damage. Of course, I sent that vehicle back. My point is, brand new vehicles can have flood problems. Imagine all these used things and all the things people can do to them out there. So be careful what you buy. And no matter who you shop with, I want you to go check out my competition. I welcome it. I want you to ask yourself, do they show me their reviews online so I know I'm dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show me a free Carfax report so I know I'm buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents or damage, never been in a flood? They bother getting on the ground and even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage, both front and back, so you can see no flood damage, no signs of an accident. They get up on the roof and show you there's no holes drilled in the roof from being a taxi, no hail damage or big dents up there. You know how many vehicles I see at auction every week that have damage up on the roof, but no one checks the roof because the sellers don't fix the roof because no one checks the roof. You know who checks the roof? Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility. That's who checks the roof. Sorry I had a phone call come in, but my point is, when it comes to price, when it comes to reputation, when it comes to how thorough they are and showing you the exact van you're getting, please compare me to the competition. You tell me what ends up happening if you end up buying a van you can't get a title for, where it won't pass inspection in your state because it's got frame or flood damage. If that happens, you can't drive the van, you just bought a 4,000 pound paperweight. Congratulations. So to avoid those problems and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. Demand a detailed video like this, folks. Don't be a lazy buyer. Demand that detailed video. I tell you what, not some lazy 30-second walk around. This is a major purchase. Demand that detailed video. Second, demand a warranty. All of our vans come with a warranty on this van. For example, the drivetrain warranty still has the conversion warranty as well. Get online, find out who you're buying from, Check out the reputation and reviews. Lazy buyers get scammed. Don't you be a lazy buyer. You make sure to do all your due diligence, the things I'm showing you in this video. And then finally, demand a Carfax report. Our van comes with a free Carfax, like all of our vehicles. Told you I'd get up here on the roof and show you everything looks good. Do not settle for some cheap imitation. Demand that Carfax report. I demand a Carfax for every single one of my vehicles to know the history before I buy it. You should do the same. Protect yourself. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states or if you come in and drive this Toyota home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. You'll see the steering wheel is nice and straight this entire drive. We'll pop it up to 70 miles an hour when we have a second, but runs and drives like a brand new van. And do keep in mind, meets the specs to be under the full powertrain warranty from Toyota. Also the conversion warranty as well. We do sell long-term affordable extended warranties. You can get my blind spot monitoring over there. If someone's in my blind spot, it'll beep at me. Got the little yellow light over there. A lot of great safety features on the van. But as far as, like I said, the warranties, we do have long-term warranties. We cover not only the van, like a factory type warranty, but also the conversion. The conversions can be kind of pricey to work on. So talk to me about how you can affordably protect your investment long-term. I got the Cruise set. Cruise works good. And keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers, they show a real nice price online, but they have hidden in the fine print. It's $500 administrative fee. They got document fees, they got tag fees, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping. So by the time you add up the cost of all the hidden fees and by the time you add up the cost of shipping, that real nice price you saw online just jumped $3,000 or $4,000. Not such a nice price anymore, is it? So be sure to ask about shipping and fees before you buy, or sit back, relax, let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. My question to you, if someone's not telling you the real price of a vehicle, if they have a bunch of hidden fees on the back end to try and make more money out of you, what else are they hiding from you? Is it a salvage title? Is it flood damage? Is it major mechanical issues? You know, I can't speak for them, but one thing I can speak for, that in any business, but none more important than the used car business, transparency is key. That's exactly why I'm out here making this video today, to be 100% transparent with you. And by the way, the van has the adaptive cruise control to keep you a safe following distance from the people in front of you, so another great safety feature. I'm going to give the van a nice hard brake and you'll see no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Runs and drives dang like a brand new van. Like I mentioned, super low miles, 17,302 currently. And if you'd like to give us a call or a text is the easiest and the fastest way to get hold of us. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. I am the owner. That is a direct line to call or text me. I challenge you to ask the competition if they are dedicated enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner. Or do you get to call in and talk to an automated system and end up in somebody's voicemail and never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy, huge car salesman who's going to call you 5 times a day to ask if you're ready to make a deal. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like a number by all these big companies out there, and you definitely want to avoid that annoying used car salesman, give us a call, give us a text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, I'm going to sell this Toyota, whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address, and if computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We'll happily take an application over the phone. Yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or mobility vehicle. Again, get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And if you'd like to see our inventory, if you'd like to stop in, we welcome that. But we have almost 100 vans. Make that appointment with us. Help us get organized. Help us get the van or vans you want out clean and ready to go. We do require you make that appointment. Call or text us. Make that appointment, please. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know it's a long video, but like I said earlier, this is a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, dozens of pictures of every van, all with no hidden fees, so you know exactly what you're getting from the most thorough and transparent mobility dealership in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, home of affordable mobility solutions, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today, and I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.